On the edge of East China's Fujian province, a megastructure is rising from the sea. This is the future site of Xi'an International Airport. But there is a problem. The land doesn't exist yet.
To build a Class 4F airport here, engineers must challenge the ocean itself. The mission is clear: reclaim land from the sea and build a global aviation hub. It begins with one of the largest land reclamation projects in history. Millions of tons of sand are pumped from the seabed to extend the island's footprint. Day by day, the map of Xi'an is being redrawn by human hands. Ground crews coordinate with a precision that rivals the ticking of a clock. An endless convoy of trucks delivers the rock needed to secure the new seawall. These boulders form the protective barrier against the relentless tides. Under the scorching sun, the foundation of a new world emerges. But raw sand is too soft. It must be compacted to withstand the weight of jumbo jets. Gravity is used as a tool, hammering the loose soil into a solid base.
What was once open ocean is now kilometers of solid ground, ready for construction.
Precision is key. Every centimeter is measured to ensure the runway will be perfectly level. The work never stops. Shifts run 24 hours a day to meet the 2025 deadline. Conditions are tough, but the resolve of the workforce is tougher. Before the buildings rise, a massive underground network of drainage must be installed.
These arteries will keep the runway dry, even during the heaviest typhoons.
Every weld secures the safety of future passengers.
With the land secure, the deep foundation work begins. Thousands of piles are driven deep into the bedrock to support the terminal. Steel cages reinforce the concrete piles, creating an unshakable root system.
Concrete flows into the earth, anchoring the airport for decades to come. Quality control is rigorous. There is no room for error.
A forest of concrete pillars now lies beneath the surface.
The earth is cleared away to connect these foundations. A web of steel spreads across the site, forming the floor of the terminal.
Even the erratic weather of the Fujian coast cannot slow the progress.
The storm passes, and the foundation phase is complete. The skyline changes as an army of tower cranes takes position.
The first steel column of the terminal rises, marking the vertical ascent.
High above the ground, ironworkers assemble the skeleton of the airport. The scale of the 660,000 square meter terminal begins to reveals itself. Floor by floor, the mega structure takes shape.
But this isn't just any terminal. It is designed in the traditional Minnan Dakuo style. Ancient architecture meets modern engineering.
These massive curved beams will form the iconic sloping roof.
Lifting these heavy trusses requires perfect synchronization.
A difference of millimeters creates a perfect fit.
Sparks illuminate the night as the structure becomes one rigid body.
The central hub will process millions of passengers annually.
Speed is essential. Prefabricated sections accelerate the build. The concrete pumps reach like mechanical arms to every corner of the site. From above, the choreography of construction is a mesmerizing dance.
The building is preparing for its skin.
Massive glass walls will offer passengers views of the ocean. Securing the facade against typhoon-force winds is a top priority.
The distinctive curved roofline of the Dakuo style is now visible from the air.
Layers of high-tech insulation will keep the terminal energy efficient. The terminal extends its arms, ready to receive aircraft from around the world.
Inside, a jungle of scaffolding allows workers to reach the soaring ceilings.
The lungs of the airport, ventilation systems, are carefully routed.
Kilometers of cabling will power everything, from lights to baggage belts.
Safety systems are embedded into the very skeleton of the building.
A major milestone. The final beam is placed at the highest point.
The structure is complete. Now, the airport must come to life. Cultural details are unpacked, ready to give this airport its local soul.
Red brick and curved eaves pay homage to the history of Xiamen.
The terminal stands proud, but it needs a runway to function. The focus shifts to the 3,800-meter-long runway strips. Layer upon layer of aggregate creates a stable roadbed. The paving begins. This surface must endure the impact of 500-ton aircraft. Perfect smoothness is not a luxury. It is a safety requirement. Temperature is monitored constantly to ensure proper bonding.
The apron, where planes park, is built with high-strength concrete.
Expansion joints prevent the concrete from cracking under the hot sun.
A complex geometry of taxiways connects the runway to the terminal.
Thousands of lights are installed to guide pilots through the night.
Navigation systems are calibrated to guide planes with zero visibility.
With Kinmen airspace nearby, the alignment of these runways is critical.
The iconic markings are painted, signaling the runway is near completion.
Inside, the circulatory system of the airport is installed. The baggage network. Automated sorters will handle millions of bags with robotic precision.
Safety tests ensure tires will grip the surface effectively.
The audio features a male voiceover providing narration about the construction process. Additionally, there are male voices. The check-in halls take shape, ready to welcome 62 million passengers.
Floors are polished to a mirror finish, reflecting the grand ceiling. Digital systems are brought online, the brain of the airport waking up. Xiamen is a garden city, and the airport reflects that lush greenery. Rigorous testing of emergency systems begins. Comfort is installed, row by row. The air traffic control tower stands tall, the eye that watches over all. From here, controllers will orchestrate the dance of the skies.
Massive fuel reserves are prepared to power the fleets.
Fuel is delivered directly to the gates through underground pipes. Alongside passengers, a massive cargo hub is built to move global trade.
State-of-the-art security ensures safe travels for everyone. The construction dust is cleared, revealing the jewel underneath. A moment of magic. The runway lights pierce the darkness. The first test flight approaches. The moment of truth. Years of hard work culminate in this single moment of success.
The doors are ready to open to the world.
Touchdown!
The construction passes its ultimate test. The digital heart of the airport is beating strong.
The digital heart of the airport is beating strong.
The architecture stands as a tribute to Minnan heritage.
Connected by Metro Line 3 and 4, the airport links seamlessly to the city.
Signs are placed, guiding travelers to their destinations.
Commercial spaces prepare for the hustle and bustle of retail.
Smart technology will speed up the border crossing process.
Infrastructure for thousands of cars is ready.
A green welcome awaits every visitor. Xi'an is no longer a blueprint. It is a reality.
For the builders, it is a moment of pride.
From the ocean depths to the skies above, the transformation is total. By 2030, 62 million people will pass through these gates every year.
1 million tons of cargo will flow through here, boosting the economy.
As the sun rises, a new engine of growth starts for Xi'an.
A perfect blend of tradition and innovation.
The halls are silent now, but soon they will echo with the languages of the world.
The final polish is applied.
The gateways are open.
This is Xi'an International Airport.
Built with speed, precision, and sheer determination.
A testament to the power of Chinese engineering.
A new landmark for the region. Ready to connect Xiamen to the globe.
This is the story of how the impossible was built. Thanks for watching.